Today's video is about being devoured under the microscope. Let's get into it. Alright, so originally for today's video I had planned to look at something different, but as I went about searching for that creature, I started to run into different things that were going on, and so I started by running into this jumping spider. You can never go wrong by looking at a jumping spider. Alright, if you find that you end up enjoying today's video, please subscribe and like the video and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. The next thing I came across was this. This was a maggot being attacked by ants. And no, before anybody asks, I did not set this up. The ants were already attacking it, and I just gathered up the maggot with some ants on it. We were going to look at it. Alright, starting with the maggot, we are under the microscope, and you can see those ants going crazy. They're trying to eat this maggot. Now, if you saw my maggot video, you'll know, or from what I explained last time, these maggots are extremely durable. One of the most durable things I've ever looked at under the microscope. The weight that I had to put on this thing to even hold it still. I have no idea if these ants can even pierce through this thing, at least not by themselves. They probably need a whole colony to take this thing down. But you can just see them trying to find a way to pierce through that skin. Really going at it. So just trying to show you a bunch of different views of the ants trying to get through this maggot with no success. Now here is what I would really like to show you. This is the start of our video, and yes, I did put the fly in there, so this one I did set up. Nice. Alright, we are now under the microscope, and this is going to be a little bit hard to see, but those are the spider's eyes. And right here, get a good view, but right here we have the fangs, and the pedipalps are holding it down. The fangs right here. A little bit hard to see, but he does got it, and he is piercing through that fly. Now I wanted to show you this right here. Something interesting. You see that fluid right there down at the bottom? Those are that reddish looking side on the right is the teeth. But watch that fluid disappear, so it's gone, and then it's going to come back. Wait for it. Any second. There he goes. Now I don't know if that's the lymph leaking out of the fly. So lymph is just the blood. Watch this. He's gonna suck it up. Takes a second. And there he goes. Now I also wanted to show you this. This is one of the coolest things I captured. This is up by the fly's head. The spider had moved to eating the eye. So the fangs are attached to the eye. And right here you see something really cool. So, come on buddy, stop moving. Anyway, they typically hold really still, but watch this. So spiders, the way they eat their prey is they put digestive enzymes into or inject it into the animal. And then it breaks down the cells and then they suck it up. But you can see that happening right here. So he injects right here, breaks it down, and then sucks it up. Injects, and as you can see, each injection breaks down more of that eye, making it harder, or not harder, but kind of clearing out the red in the eye. Anyway, I thought that was so cool to see that. I think that's awesome. Look at that, just devouring the eye. You can even see it breaking down, those small red pieces breaking down, sucking it back up. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys just watch the rest of the video and watch this guy kind of chow down on this fly. And again, if you liked today's video and you thought it was awesome, please subscribe and like the video. I would really like to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year if I could. So I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me and will continue to give me. And thank you very much. Hope to see you next time.